Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In a previous video, I explained how to force a group policy update on a specific computer remotely using PsExec with just one command. But in today's video, I'll show you how to force a group policy update remotely on all client computers in the domain at once, also using PsExec. This method is extremely useful for IT administrators managing large networks. Instead of manually updating the group policy for each client one by one, you can use a single command to update all computers in the domain simultaneously, saving a lot of time and effort. Okay, we'll start by downloading a tool called PsExec, which is part of the sysinternal suite from Microsoft. I'll leave the download link in the video description. After downloading the tool, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find several files. Look the PsExec64 and PsExec. Run PsExec64 once and accept the license agreement. I have run it before. Then copy both PsExec64 and PsExec and paste them into the System32 folder. This ensures that you can run the PsEx command from anywhere in the command prompt without needing to specify the full path. The next step is to have a list of all the computers in the domain. You can create this list manually in a text file, or you can run a command that creates a text file containing the names of all the computers associated with the domain. Open the command prompt as administrator. Take the command that appears and run it in the command prompt window. You'll find the command in the video description. This command uses dsquery to get a list of all the computers in the domain and removes unnecessary information. It saves all the computer names in a text file named computers.txt on your C drive. Once finished, open your C drive. You'll find the created computers.txt file. Open it to verify the computer names. Make sure there are no quotation marks or extra spaces before or after each computer name. Otherwise, PsExec won't be able to connect that computer and the update process will fail. Pay attention to this and save the file. Returning to the command prompt window and copy the command displayed on your screen and run it in command prompt. Here the @ symbol tells PsExec to read all the computer names from the computers.txt file, and Gpupdate/force updates both the user and the group of computers on each remote machine. PsExec will then begin processing each computer individually. It may take some time depending on the number of client computers on your network. In any case, you will see messages such as updating policy, computer policy update has completed successfully, user policy update has completed successfully, and Gpupdate exited on PC name with error code 0. This means that the update was successful on this computer. If the computer is offline or inaccessible, you will see a message like PC name could not be reached, network path not found. This is perfectly normal and simply means that the system or that computer was unavailable at that moment. With using this simple command, you can send group policy updates to all client computers in your domain at once, directly from your server. This is an efficient and professional way to ensure all domain clients have the latest configurations instantly, without having to visit each computer individually. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon to receive more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.